This is a piano tutorial for when I'm 64, this time as a piano accompanist. So we're not playing the melody in the right hand, we're just singing it and the root note in the left hand for the bass note. So I'll just sing it with the melody, the chords here. Start on a B flat chord there. You can do it like that, F, B flat, D. When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now. That's F7, A, C, E flat, F. Will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greetings, bottle of wine. That's a B flat chord, F, B flat, D. If I've been out till 2:45, would you? That's B flat 7, F, A flat, B flat, D. Would you lock the door? That's E flat, G, B flat, E flat. Will you still need me? That's G flat, B flat, D flat. Need me, will you? That's B flat, F, B flat, and D. Will you still feed me? There's G7, F, G, B, D. When that's C7, G, B flat, C, E. When I'm 60, that's F7, A, C, E flat, F. 64, and that's B flat, F, B flat, D. And then you got a G minor, G, E, B flat, D. You'll be older too. And this is kind of tricky, these two measures. It's D, G minor, D, D7, G minor, D, D7, G minor. And there's one, it's like pretty quick there. So D, G minor, D, D7, G minor, D7. D is like this, F sharp, A, D. G minor is G, B flat, D. Goes to that D, and then you add that C note for the D7 chord, F sharp, A, C, D, like that. G minor, D, D7, G minor again, G, B flat, D. E flat, G, B flat, E flat on top, F, F, A, C, B flat, F, B flat, and D. And the chords for the second part are the same as the first part. So those are the chords for your right hand. And of course you play this when you're playing B flat down low is a bass note. When you're F7, F down low, when you're on E flat, and so on. So always work on the hands separately, and when you're all through, this is what it sounds like. When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greetings, bottle of wine. If I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? You'll be older too. And if you say the word, I could stay with you. Send me a postcard, drop me a line, stating point of view. Indicate precisely what you mean to say. You're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, fill in the form. to feed me